All right guys, a little update on the 76 450C. Summer 2021. Got it back out. We're about to put the belly pan on it today. And a couple other small things, and hopefully work it a little bit today. Got a bunch of trees that are down from the ice storm that I need to move. We've still got some stuff to button up on it for sure, but we're still being gentle. Engine's still breaking in. So yeah, if you made it over here from the Random Land channel, this is more of my like homesteading, farming, adventuring kind of channel. So all future updates on the 450C will be on this channel. All the skid plate mounting holes are plugged up with mud and mud dauber nests. Hopefully we're able to get these to thread in. Hey guys, I'm trying to fix this thread. I hammered on the end of this thing with no protection like an idiot and kind of mushed up the top thread when I was trying to get the spacer out, and now I'm just going to try to grind it down a little bit because I don't have time to sit here and file it forever. See if I can get it to go back in the thread back in the block. I got 11 holes down here on my 6 bolts. 11 holes? Yeah, didn't we find another bag of them? Just spent some time. I'd messed up that one thread, so I just basically took a grinder and took off the top thread so that it didn't grab until the next thread, which is a good thread. So just basically went back and forth, dug all the mud out of the thread holes, went to the wire brushed the bolts, PB blasted it, or actually I use Maxima MPPL. I like this stuff even better than PB Blaster, and you support the motocross industry by buying this stuff. So I'll put a link in the description. But got both bolts threading up in there nicely, and yeah, we're about ready to mount up this belly pan. Yeah. I don't know, man. Might need another jack. So we're not gonna be able to get it. So we get the bolts in the front in, only to realize that now we don't have enough clearance to get the back. So apparently we need to put the back in first and then try to manhandle, hope for the best with the front. Not sure why they had to make such tight tolerances for a skid plate. It's a hot one out here, guys, and after 2 hours of screwing around, I had to clean my lens off, sorry. We got that belly pan on. It took hammering and pry bars and 2 floor jacks and we finally got that sucker on.